Kumbalai.
Kumbalai.
Welcome to Room 20's class assembly. The dance we just did was an African dance called Umbaleo.
Our adopted World Cup country was Namibia.
Namibia is in southern Africa between Angola and South Africa.
It's a beautiful desert country with one of the wildest coastlines in the world.
It may be sparsely populated with just over 2 million people, but it has a wide variety of proud and diverse tribes.
It's a country rich in diamonds, wilderness and wildlife.
The capital city is Windhoek. Its national language is English, although not many people actually speak it. Afrikaans and German is more widely spoken.
We wrote acrostic poems to support the World Cup sides. Here are some of them. Canada, awesome, North American, delightful, athletic. France, running, amazing, nice, cool, excited.
New Zealand, nice, excellent, world champ, zooming, ecstatically amazing, land, All Blacks, New Zealand defence.
Tonga, tough, oceans, national, good country, athlete.
Tonga, tough, oceans, national, good at rugby, amazing.
Tonga, tough, oceans, national, good at rugby, amazing.
Argentina, a team of wildcats, running, rugby, great history, and not to be taken lightly, best in South America, and blue and white stripes. Argentina.
Georgia. Go Georgia, energetic team, organised and professional rugby players in the World Cup again, a small but talented team.
Scotland, super, coming to New Zealand, up dry the new, tough, lucky, awesome, nothing can stop them dancing rugby.
Australia. Australia uses stuff to toughen up to run and land in awkward ways. Ireland. Island Nation Rugby, excellent team. Land of Shamrocks, amazing players, never give up, dream of winning.
Italy, international time different, awesome like rugby, yeah, players.
Italy. Intelligent, tough, awesome, laugh a lot, yeah, players.
America. Amazing, memorable, excited, running to get my tickets. I can't wait, courageous, awesome.
Rugby, USA, superb, incredible, amazing.
Go Fiji. Fiji is awesome. Incredible players and talent. Just a small island is not going to win.
Samoa, sunshine, awesome, might win the rugby, oceans always help.
Samoa. Sunshine, awesome, most strong team. Overall awesome, a strong team. Fiji. Fun team, incredible speed and force, just a small country and cruise for victory.
Wales, athletic, lucky, exciting, sporty.
Fiji, lucky, jumping, incredible.
Namibia. New, amazing, middle school champion, incredible, bring tears in all their games.